Hello everyone, welcome to Handmade Creations. In this video we're going to see how we can make a pom-pom like this too. So all we need is a pair of scissors, some yarn, and a pom-pom maker. So I have these two sizes here and I'm going to be going with a small one for this video, but in general, depending on the size of your pom-pom maker, you'll get a different size for the pom-poms. So this is my pom-pom maker, and all we need to do is just open one of the sides and start wrapping around our yarn. So try to cover these bits over again. You can just try everything or go over it again. I'm going to push everything. The more you cover these sides, the more fuller your pom-pom and fluffier will look later on. So once you're done with one of the sides, you need to pass the yarn through that slit, close it, and then go through the opposite slit so that we can do the same for the other side. So all we need to do is wrap our yarn around again. Once you're happy, you close the pom-pom maker, and we need to start to cut our yarn in the middle. And the same on the other side. So now that it's cut, we need a small piece of yarn to tie our pom-pom. So I pass it through the slit here, and I'm going to tie a knot. And what I usually do, I tie a knot on the other side of the pom-pom as well, so that it holds well together. Because if you don't tie them well, then once you have the pom-pom, these pieces will be easily removed. So to finish off, we just need to open our pom-pom maker. And here we have our pom-pom. We just need to cut the small pieces of yarn that come out a bit longer, and those are just because we're going from one side to the other on the pom-pom maker. So here you have your pom-pom.